Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have brand new gem for you guys. Free money. Free $30. That's good money for someone who is starting trading here in Kenya. Okay, it's not like good money, but you can grow it to $100 to $200. That's like 3,000 Kenyan shillings. Free. You don't need to deposit anything. You don't need to, refer anyone. This is like free money. Um, referring. This is a broker. It's an best broker that I'm into, and the broker is giving out $30 for free. As you can see, this is a $30 account, and here, there's free $30. I haven't referred anyone. I haven't deposited anything. These are my current trades. As you can see, I'm in profits, guys. This is something good for you. Maybe you're that person, you're wondering how am I gonna start trading, or maybe you're just demo trading. As you can see, this is a live account, guys. This is a live account, and this is this is a good opportunity. And this is my bonus I've already received. As you can see, $30, free $30 bonus, and boom, link is in the description below. Just click the link, register your account, verify your account. You receive $30, you start trading. You grow it to $100 to $1,000. That's your money. You withdraw it, go do what you want to do with it. If you don't know how to go about it, just after clicking the link in the description, inbox me. There's a link of my Telegram group, WhatsApp group. I help you get the $30. You don't have to do anything extra. Just register and verify your account, and I'll do everything for you, help you. If you have any problem, DM me. There's a link for my Telegram group, my WhatsApp group. Also, the link for this broker is in the description, the video description. Just click the link, register your account, get the free money, start trading, guys. This is like free money. There's less brokers who do this. Most brokers, they want you to refer, or maybe deposit some money. Also, I have like 2 to 3 brokers who are also giving out free money. If this is the kind of content you want, just don't hesitate. Comment, like, share, subscribe the video. When we reach maybe 100 subscribers, I'll drop another free money broker who gives free money. So let's do this, guys. The reason why I entered this trade, actually, let me do this in a quick one. This zone here is like a resistance zone. As you can see, a lot of, let me go, let me expand the chart. So as you can see, whenever the market, whenever the market hits this, zone, it respects. Apart from this one, it went up a little bit, but retraced back. Even here, why is this press tool? So yeah, even here, as you can see, whenever the market reaches this point, goes down, hit this point, go down. It went retested back, hit it. So that's how I entered the trade. And also there was a double top. Let me show you guys a little bit. So as you can see, in the 1 hour time frame, there's this double 2 weeks, double wicks. So those was also another confirmation. So I entered the trade, and that's how I entered the trade. It's super simple. No indicators, no crazy stuff in my charts. Just doing the market structure and support and resistance zones. And this is my take profit here. As you can see, it's up almost to hit the take profit. This is like 3 hours ago. As you can see, it's already in green. The green light greenish, meaning we are almost to hit our take profit. And yeah, that's what I have for you guys for today. I want you to go register your account, verify your account, get the free $30, start trading immediately. Also, so that you can improve your, trading. You're trading as a trader. You're trading. How do you call it? This word. Experience and also growth. So don't hesitate. This is free money. Just like free money, guys. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Link is in the description. Just go register, and if you need any help, DM me on my Telegram, my WhatsApp group, and let's kill it. So yeah, this is what I have for today. Also, I have another three other three brokers who offer free money. You don't need to deposit anything, you don't need to invite anyone. So let's hit 100 subscribers or more. I drop another one. This is what we do. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe also, and share the video. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Ooh.